iCustoms iDP, the AI platform that transforms your customs documents into compliant declarations. Simply upload documents via drag and drop, email, or API. iCheck auto-detects and classifies the type of document, such as packing lists, invoices and waybills, with human confirmation. AI then extracts all the key fields in just seconds. Next, iCombine merges shipments, while iTeach lets you teach AI, and iMarker fine-tunes data extraction. After that data is validated, scored, translated and consolidated in one place, it then gets mapped, corrected, and ready for customs. Export in any format, CSV, Excel, XML, or create your own import or export drafts, and autofill customs declarations for the UK, EU, US, and beyond, all from one dashboard. From chaos to clearance, iCustoms iDP makes cross-border trade effortless.